From your experience, what strategies do you use to engage with shareholders and ensure support if an activism campaign were to arise?
Yeah, no, great question. So Adam, we are, just for those that may not know, we are impact investors. That means when we're looking at companies, we are very much focused not just on ESG, which for us is a risk assessment or risk mitigation strategy to assess the risk inherent in a company, but also looking at outcomes. What does the company do that actually improves the world or the communities in which they operate? So we're very focused on using shareholder engagement through proxies and otherwise to engage with companies. I think the limitations we have are our size isn't significant enough to be some of the gorillas like the Engine Ones of the world that can create new board members at Exxon and others. So what strategies do we have? One is the fact that we're very true to our brand and being impact investors actually creates a lot more impact. So organizations that realize that we're really true to that will take us more seriously than those are doing it for marketing or hype. That would be one. The second is there are many ways to collaborate and partner. So if you look at all the coalitions that are out there, we're part of probably we have 5 or 6 ourselves related to climate change and others, but coalitions that come together on very specific strategies that actually, through strength in numbers, can really have an impact on those organizations. The third is the members of organizations like UNPRI, which stands for the UN Principles for Responsible Investing. Now, they have, I think, about 3,000 signatories now, and I think the assets under management of those signatories, I may not get the number right, but it is in the 10 to 12 trillion dollars, for example. So huge capacity to align with parties that think in a like-minded way and to really assert that. And so I think it's being part of campaigns and pledges, bringing people together, having an authentic and real voice, and then using both how we invest, the ways we invest, but also the more, we'll call it softer influence. We're not advocates of divestment strategies because we still think active engagement can lead to better results because we want to see a shift to more responsible behavior as opposed to, basically extricate or carve out organizations that will continue to perpetuate and do bad things. And so we think that's the right strategy. So it's really through strength in numbers and be part of these campaigns that we think we can have some significant influence.